Welcome back, guys. You are watching Unicota Education. Today I have come up with another notification from KEA regarding UGCET cutoff analyzer. So if you want to see what your rank may lead to which college like that, you can go to kar.nic.in, the website. You will be knowing it. So you can head on to latest notifications here in Kannada ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆಗಳು. So it's released on 19th October UGCET 2020 cutoff analyzer. So click on that link, you'll be redirected to a cutoff analyzer web page. So here it's like cutoff analyzer 2019. Actually, what's the cutoff in 2019? That's stored here in the database. So it will show according to the 2019 database. So it's just to make you knowledgeable like that to which college you have to put in your option entry portal, so that you will be getting it. Most chances you will get it. So first of all, select the profession. So here in the profession you can choose if you are an engineering student, you can choose engineering or architecture, or if you are aiming for veterinary science is there, D Pharma agriculture is there. So I'll be choosing engineering. So next comes category. So here in category you can select among your category which if it comes with 2 AG or general merit, we will go with general merit. The GM stands for general merit, so we have selected general merit. And the round, so since KCET option entry and counseling procedure will be given 2 rounds, so engineering round 1 and engineering round 2 is here. So first of all, select engineering round 1, so that since you are applying for round 1 at first, you will get the minimum idea of how the colleges will put their cutoffs and what will be the like an outline, you will get it. So the college name, then I'll choose the college. Let's choose all, whichever colleges is there, it will come. So here you choose computer science and engineering. It depends. I am choosing computer science and engineering. It loads for some time and it shows here. You can see here college course wise cutoff, and initial seat matrix, show unallotted seats allotment.
Are you preparing for KCET 2021? You know, the Unacademy Plus subscription includes benefits such as premium content at affordable price, structured live courses with dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals, and daily practice problems. And single subscription will give you unlimited access, everything under single plus subscription. So Unacademy has 20 plus top educators. I'll be showing in the next slides. They have 10 plus years of experience, and the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants is given here. 12 months plan at 12,375, just 12,375. If you use my code LiveChandan, it costs around 1,031 per month, and again 6 months plan at 10,125 if you use my code LiveChandan. Here I am showing. So it also costs about 1,688 per month, so it's affordable if compared to other online and offline institutes too. So multiple batches launching every month multiple batches are being launched. 6 months full syllabus will be given, complete preparation and course completion in Kannada language. Kannada also is there, Kannada batch is also there for Kannada aspirants who are Kannada who are well versed with Kannada language can use that, and dedicated doubt clearing sessions which I already mentioned, and 8 months comprehensive full syllabus batch is also there. Study from top educators, advanced topic starts soon, so enroll now. If you are interested, just enroll now. For trial period, they are giving a 1 month trial plan of about 2,250 only if you use my code LiveChandan. Here I am showing it. So these are the educators you are seeing here. Learn from the best educators for KCET 2021. Detailed explanation of each topic for better understanding. So complete syllabus coverage will be there. Tips and tricks to save time and score better in exams. These are what important tips and tricks which will boost your rank. So if you are interested, just get in now. So these batches are starting from 14th October, actually already started. So just kickstart your career now. Actually KCET 2021 will be a easy go for you if you get these tips and tricks from these top educators. So if you are also not able to afford that, you can also get free classes on YouTube. The link is in the description. Free classes are also available on Unacademy YouTube channel, so you can see and you can get it.
5 tabs are there, you can navigate among those. I will be explaining full about it. So at first, AJ Institute of Engineering, college name, and course will be displayed here. These are all the same course, computer science and engineering, as we have selected the course computer science and engineering. So category comes out to be general merit, and the cutoff rank is 36,704. 36,704 is actually not the cutoff. It's like 36,704th rank who has got they will be getting the seat like that. They have applied it and they have been allotted seat like that it comes. So next we come to any other college. Yeah, JSS Science and Technology. It's in Mysore, JC. So they have two portals actually. One is government aided and another is unaided. So in the unaided one, it's 1,512. Actually, fees will be a bit higher in unaided courses, and in aided 1,066. It's for engineering round round 1. So if you select the second round here, yes, it comes out to be 39,000. You can notice the change, 36 to 39, 3,000 extra ranks. And here you will find allotted seats. I mean, how many number of students have been allotted computer science and engineering in AJ Institute of Engineering. So same college name and course. And here 13. If you click on that 13, you will find who all have got that seat. So CET number and their rank is displayed here. 13 students have got computer science in AJ Institute from general merit. Actually, I've selected general merit. Yeah, as per my notes, yeah, general merit. 13 students have got. So if you are going for college specific, I mean, if you are selecting JSS Science and Technology University Mysore, so you'll find general merit rank for engineering round 2 computer science and engineering. It's 1,639. You can also change the course now here, and also you can see the allotted seats here. As I said, around 18 members have got it, computer science and engineering from general merit. Yeah, if I go back and select course information science and engineering, you'll find the cutoff rank is increased by 300 again, and the allotted seats are 10. Okay, I think you're seeing it. So here, if you want to change, I mean, if you go for medical science general merit, mock allotment round 1, let's select, and college name, and college in Bangalore Medical College, and select course MBBS from government seat. So the cutoff rank is 4,024. For state-wise cutoff, state-wise rank is 4,024. You may get a seat in Bangalore Medical College. It may rise this time, or it may come down this time too. So we cannot say that. I'll go back to engineering again, so I can explain the course-wise cutoff and round 1, and I'll select civil engineering. And if you go to course-wise cutoff and click here maximum, if you give the maximum rank for which you can see here 1,40,000 903 rank has got a civil engineering course seat in East West College of Engineering, Bangalore. So if you select minimum, means the top rank, it may be RV College and Hope. So yeah, RV College of Engineering civil engineering seat for 3,570. Rank number 3,570 has got civil engineering seat in RV College of Engineering, which is the meant to be top college of Karnataka. This comes out to be course-wise cutoff. Next, the initial seat matrix. What's the seat matrix there? It's not important. So, and show unallotted seats, means the seats which are not allotted. Yeah, if you give all. In AJ Institute of Engineering, civil engineering course, 18 seats have not been allotted. I mean, they have not taken it up. So ACS College of Engineering, 93 unallotted seats, means you may get a seat here easily like that. These many seats have not been allotted. If you come to unallotted seats, if you come to allotment, who have got that seat, that will be here. Candidate name will be there with the rank, with the NEET score, and CAT code, category code, and college name, RV College of Engineering. Yeah, here you can find RV tops actually, one from National Institute of Engineering, Shri IC. Yeah, like this, it's complete video demo on cutoff analyzing. It's actually 2019 database. You can just find it out so that you will make sure that your rank will come under this, and you can go with it. So I hope this video is very useful for you. If you have liked this video, click on the like button below and subscribe our channel to get more updates like this. So share this video with your friends so that it will be helpful for them too. And saying this, let's go back and wait until the next video. Take care until then. Thank you. Bye bye.